Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are well. From Standard 8 English Medium, Unit 2nd. In this unit, there is a chapter and there is a poem. So, the chapter name is The Tsunami, and the poem name is The Geography, means the geography lesson. So, today I am going to discuss with you the MCQs of this unit. So, the chapter's name Tsunamis unit, MCQs of this chapter. So the instruction is choose the best option among the one given below each questions. There are 8 MCQs of this unit. Okay, means this chapter, the tsunami. Let's see the first MCQ. A tsunami is a sea wave caused by. A tsunami is a sea wave caused by the high tide, the sea storm, earthquakes on the land, or earthquakes under the sea. A tsunami is sea waves caused by where? Sea waves caused by means under the sea, means earthquakes under the sea. When the earthquakes under the sea occurs, the tsunami occurs. Okay. Now the second, talk about the Ignatius and his family rushed out of the house because what? Because they feared the coming of tsunami, they felt an earthquake, they heard the noise, they just wanted to go out. Why this Ignatius and his family rushed out? Because his wife, Ignatius' wife, she felt the earthquake. Not only she but also the members of the Ignatius family, they felt what? They felt an earthquake. That is why they rushed out of the house. Now comes to the third. 2 of Ignatius' children died. Why? What was the reason why the Ignatius' children died? Because they were separated from their parents. Ignatius could not hold their hands. They had gone in the opposite direction. They remained sleeping. When this earthquake occurs, they felt the earthquakes, then comes to the tsunami. They were confused. What? They were confused and they had gone in the opposite direction. They had gone in the opposite direction. That is why 2 of the Ignatius children were died. Okay, now comes to number 4. Sanjeev was swept away. Sanjeev was swept away. Okay, policeman. While trying to save someone else, while trying to save his family, he already saved his family because he was a policeman on duty near the sea. Because he tried to save the guest house cook. No, because why? Why Sanjeev was swept away? While trying to save someone else. While trying to save someone else, that he did and swept away. Now comes to number 5th. Talk about the Meghna. Okay, Meghna saved herself from tsunami. By means how? Swimming towards the shore, holding on to a wooden door, the help of the other 77 people who were swept away with her, and the relief helicopters. Relief helicopters not seen this Meghna, but she had holding on to a wooden door. That is why she was saved herself. Okay, number 6. Now talk about Almaz. Almaz Javed, the 10-year-old girl was saved. Almaz Javed, the 10-year-old girl was saved because of her father who had sensed the danger, by her mother and aunts who stood clinging to a coconut tree, by a long of wood floating in the water, by a policeman. No, Almaz Javed, the 10-year-old girl, was saved by a long of wood floating in the water. That is the correct answer, C. Now comes to number 7. The little girl who saved many lives during the tsunami race was who? Was Tilly Smith. She learned about the tsunami in her geography teacher. That is why Tilly Smith saved many lives during the tsunami waves. Now number 8. The tsunami waves were triggered by a massive earthquake. Triggered by a massive earthquake of northern Sumatra, of Thailand, of Andaman Islands, of the Nicobar Islands. So the option A is the correct, northern Sumatra. Okay, so these are the MCQ of the chapter, the tsunami. Then next, the poem, geography lesson. Here asks the first, the jet in the passage refers to here the passage. Okay, so the jet in the passage refers to what? Jet blank, jet engine, jet liner, or jet stream. So talk about jet liner. The poet realized why he was in the sky. The city had developed. There were new ways in the city. The city had taken the shape it had. So the correct answer is D. The city appeared from the sky. How looks like the city appeared from the distance from the sky? Okay, so it was looked very small. City appeared very small from the distance. The word scaled in the passage. Scaled means what? Scaled means to measure. Means here measure. Okay. Then the next. From the height of 10,000 feet, the poet was observing. What was the poet observing? His city, his country, the earth, the sky. The poet was observing what? Here thousands feet in the sky. What country? So his country. Here the poet observing his country. The cities are developed. Why the cities developed? In the open space, on the hillside, by the riverside, or in the desert. So city were developed by the river side. Number 3. The valleys are populated because the climate is good. People love the hills. The life is safe there. The water is easily available. So the valleys are populated. Why? Because the water is easily available there. That is why. And the word valley means in the same as what? Well, valor, valet, or value. So option A, well, is correct. Then next, the passage has been taken from. What was the chapter's name? So the chapter's name means the title of the chapter is geography lesson. Okay. The second, from that height the poet saw. What the poet saw? The poet saw that the earth, from that height the poet saw that the earth has much water. Full of people, not. Earth has hills and desert, not. Earth has much land, not. Much water. There are much water than land. Okay. From the height of the jet, the earth looked. How the earth looked? The earth looked round. The shape looked round. And the noun form of difficult is difficulty. What? Difficulty. So these are the MCQs of Unit 2, chapter and poem, tsunami and geography lesson. I hope you understand about these MCQs. Thank you.